Welcome back to another video. Got something exciting. I've been waiting for a day for this. A mini phone.
Yeah.
Android camera, music, mini phone to Type-C it. And we're gonna be opening it. Alright, let's go.
See what this baby looks like now. Careful for stabbing. Okay, this swings for
Alright, you ready? 3,
2, 1.
1.
This is finger.
It's right here. It is in my hand right now. Since I love y'all the most, I'm gonna let y'all have a peek in 3. Oh, that looks beautiful.
Wait, Damien!
What?
That looks like that Android phone, the bigger one.
Yeah. So we got a little camera right here.
Satisfying. It's so satisfying.
Alright, look. Camera. And we just peel this sticker off. Actually, it's fine. Hold up. So we got the phone right here. Let's see what's in here. I think this is where, like, it has a case. Yes, it has a case right here. And a charger. Right? So, this is perfect for the, just go.
Beep it up.
So, oh yeah, we have this. This is for the, you see this tiny hole right here? Yeah, that tiny hole right there. You're supposed to just stick it in and it'll pop like something out. But, oh, hold up. I'm gonna have to clean this with a wipe since I'm putting my fingerprints on this. Anyways, and it comes with a screen protector. That's pretty cool. But yeah, let's just put this on. Yeah, since it's see-through, let's remove this carefully.
Oh, that's satisfying.
Yeah, this was only $32 too, and has 16 gigabytes. Has 16 gigabytes, way less laggy than my old phone. Oh, it's in my bag. It's in my bag right now. It's small size, has stable calls, it says. Clear and stable calls. Let's put this bad boy on. Hold up. Let's put this bad boy on. Oh, yo, this is dope. Oh yeah, I bought this on my mom's phone without her permission. By accident. So, yeah.
Why did you post that?
What? What's wrong?
Why did you post that? That's gonna know you.
Oh, I turned it on. I did not mean to do that at all. Let me put this back real quick. Oh, shoot. This is sick. 16 gigabytes on this.
You gigabyte it.
Yo.
I think that's game point.
Oh, shoot. That's way less laggy.
Damien.
What?
Oh, that's on your phone. That's like a
What do you mean? My brother just said it's not a phone. Are you? Let's see the camera. Oh, shoot. The camera's not even bad. It's not even that bad for real. Can I switch it? Yeah. Watch this.
selfie. Selfie.
Oh, hold up.
It's just the little laggy one.
I'm probably gonna have to. Oh, yeah. Let me get a napkin and clean the camera. That's not bad. But yeah, that's sick. Let's put the casing on now. Bro, why is it so hard to put this case on? Hold up, I'll be right back. Alright, I put it on.
It's also a stupid phone. So.
Oh shoot. This case is a little bit small. Whoa. Oh. Did it power off? I don't know, but let's put... Oh, wait, I didn't fully put it in.
The experience was extremely painful, but I decided to stick to the challenge, so I guess you guys will see if I beat it in 3 hours or I lost $100.
Yeah, I'm gonna charge it for a little bit, but let's actually put the screen case for it right here. Alright. There we go.
You get shot from the cannon, and then you get shot by a wine bottle after. I'm gonna see this, okay?
The stress and the responsibility and the constant threats. The guy is toast.
Was this game Google translated from Chinese to English? Because I don't know what she's saying, bro. And then the wine bottle, right? Wait, does it actually work?
Let's put the thing on. Hold up. Oh shit, I put it on wrong. Hold up.
To where we were! This is exactly where I lost everything! That was so worth it. Holy crap, guys. I don't even know where I am. I did not think that would actually work like that. My god. I don't even know where I'm going.
Oh my gosh, hold up, chat. I put the screen on, but there's still freaking gaps in it.
I don't like this. I don't like this one bit.
Oh, hello guys. What's up, bro? I'm happy right now. I waited a day for this.
Dang it. I'm just so sick.
Hat.
Very scared.
Oh, there we go.
We're out. Guys, we're out of the gray zone. We're out of the gray zone.
Alright, so let's see.
think
Let's
it
go to
Key Rainbow Road.
let's go to Play Store. Oh. Oh, I need to charge it. That's why it's doing that.
Sorry, made by Lone, but didn't happen. Where do I go?
I guess what it says now. There's an E in the middle.
Pizza?
Try to guess what's.
I'm gonna quickly put this
Try
on
to guess what it says
charger.
now.
Yeah.
There's the E.
Hi guys, I am charging my phone. And yeah, let's wait a little bit. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.